Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block we got sausage, hash brown, English muffins, 2 eggs, egg rings, and cheese. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a homemade McDonald's sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin with hash browns. Easy recipe. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and use these two. Put that in there, and I will be having some apple juice with it. So I'll show you that in a minute. So all you need to do is go to Walmart or Kroger's or whatever and get you some of these right here. These is great value original pork sausage patties right here. I'm quite sure you guys going to see another video on that. These are just muffins right here, English muffins. I'm only going to use 2 of those, so we'll go ahead and take those out now. Then we have American cheese, followed by 2 eggs. And that's all you need. So I'll just take 2 of these bad boys out. Like that. Alright. Alright. So, take 2 of these patties out. That's all we need. So simple, easy. And you can do this ahead of time, guys. For your kids, family, whoever going to work or whatever early in the morning. You can hook this up and be on your way. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Might as well do it now so you guys know what to do. So this is all I'm doing. That's it. We're going to cook these first, then we're going to do our eggs, then we're going to do our sausage with these. Okay? With the hash brown. Alright, see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, all you want to do here, take you some butter, put that in there. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Take your bread, put that on there. Just like that. Just like that. We're going to brown that up. And then show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Just want to check on it. Press down on it a little bit. Make sure it's soft. See that? That's all you want to do. When it get about like that, take them off. Just like that. And you take you some cheese and just put it at the bottom of that. Just like that. Okay? Take our tops off. See that? Put those to the side. You can take your sausage and put those in there. Put your hash browns in there. You want some more butter, slide you some more butter in there. You don't need none for the sausage. So that's all you need. We're going to brown that up, and I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, go ahead and check on this. I did let mine thaw out a little bit so it won't take as long to get done. I'm just going to flip these. About 2 to 3 minutes. Take those out. I'm on 4. I got electric skillet. I said electric skillet, electric stove. So show you what we'll be doing in a minute. Alright. Okay guys, my sausage is ready. I'm just going to take that out and put it on top like that. Just like that. These are done also. I'm going to go ahead and take those out. Now for this little stuff right here, you can just get you a paper towel or something and try to get some of that stuff out of there. Okay? That's all you're doing. So we're going to turn our thing down back to 2. Put the rings in here like so. Crack them. We're going to cook these slow. Okay? I like to put 2 in mine. So I don't know about what you guys do, but I like to put like 2 of them in mine. Just like that. Okay? So that's why we want to cook it nice and slow. Alright, let that go and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. Now you can, if you want to, you can like prick these or something. Mix them around a little bit in there. Okay, and that's what that's doing right there. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. So here there is still cooking. Now what I did, so you guys know what to do, but you won't have to do it if you didn't have these things right here, because I like to put a lid over mine. This way it can have a steam effect. So what I did was took a little water just to cool it down a little bit and bring up some type of steam. You know what I'm saying? And if you had like a lid, you could have put like a lid over it or something like that. But like I said, I had these things on here, so just keep that in mind when you go buy these rings. I just thought it would be cute because they had the little egg things on there, so it's all good though. Alright guys, I'm going to let that cook for about 2 more minutes, then I'm going to flip it in a minute. Okay guys, I'm done with that. So all I'm going to do is just take this up out of there. Put it right on top, right here. Just like so. Now be careful when you buy them rings. Now it's another thing that I could use for hooking them up too. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, just put the eggs on there. We're just going to throw the sausage on there and the other one. There you have it. Get you a little ketchup. Apple juice. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Made at home. Sausage and egg, cheese, McMuffin. from my home to yours. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like and share it, comment, and please subscribe to the channel and tell all your friends and family to tune in to VELDOGG's Kitchen, where we'll be bringing you restaurant quality foods or better. And please hit that bell for me. Hit that bell and let me know where you guys at. I'm put it over here, right here by the apple juice. Hit that bell and let me know, guys, who you are, so you too can be a part of this family and I can recognize you too. And remember, first come, first serve. If you comment first, anybody comment on my channel goes straight to the top. I don't care who they is or whatever the case may be. I don't care how many subscribers you got. It's not all about this. It's about the supporters. To me, that's just how I look at it. So saying that to say this, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, and I'll see you guys next week in VELDOGG's Kitchen in a minute.